Hey, welcome. My name is Shem Ogweno, and this is video number 14 in our HTML series for absolute beginners. The objective of this video is to show you how to create tables using HTML. Let me show you.
First thing first, you will use the table element to define the start of your table, then add rows using the TR element, then the cells using the TD element. Something to note here is that you create table row by row in HTML. Now let's practice creating a table. I've gone ahead and pasted this information that I want to turn into a table. Now to add this information into a table, I'll start by adding opening and closing table element. Then I will add rows using the TR element like this. Then inside I will add the cells using the TD element, which means I will wrap all this into a TD element like that. And then I will repeat the rest like this. To make this first row a table header, use TH for header. As you can see, by default, the TH is displayed in bold and at the center. You will learn how to transform this table in our CSS series, but here is one possibility how you can transform it using CSS. So I'm going to enable my CSS that I've already written. So don't worry about this styling right now, because you'll learn it in our CSS series. And there you have it, creating tables in HTML. So practice creating tables, then join me in the next video to learn about forms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one.